During the commemoration of the Day of the United Nations Body last week, United Nations Secretary-General Ban Ki-moon expressed his appreciation to millions of people around the world for their work on development, human rights and work for peace. Mr. Ban Ki-moon thanked the world who uphold ideals and help achieve the UN's goals. UN Resident Coordinator Nalima Noble also acknowledged the 10th year of the Millennium Development Goals. The eight time-bound goals represent a universal commitment to a prosperous, stable and equitable world. She also acknowledged the world has some way to go, but keeps moving on this journey to deepen commitment to staying true to the values of the United Nations of integrity, respect for diversity and professionalism, and deepen unqualified commitment to the people of Niue for a better and more secure future for all. Niue's development goals were also reviewed. From the 8 goals, MDG 1 eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. The target of halving the number of people living in poverty and those suffering from hunger by 2015 track. Niue is off track in reducing basic needs poverty measure and in terms of employment to population ratio, growing from 52% in 2002 to 85% in 2010. MDG 2 achieve universal primary education. Although there are some data gaps, Niue is on track to achieving universal primary education by 2015. MDG 3 promote gender equality and empower women. Niue is on track with education target and has made strong progress in economic empowerment for women. MDG 4 reduce child mortality. Notwithstanding data gaps, Niue appears to be mostly on track with infant and under 5 mortality rate targets, but off track with immunization targets. MDG 5 reduce maternal mortality. Niue is mostly on track in terms of maternal mortality rate and reproductive health. The proportion of births attended by skilled personnel in Niue is 100%. MDG 6 combat HIV/AIDS, malaria and other diseases. Notwithstanding data gaps and limitations, Niue is mostly on track on all MDG 6 targets. MDG 7 ensure environmental sustainability. Notwithstanding data gaps and limitations, Niue is mostly on track in terms of all MDG 7 targets. Niue aims to achieve 100% reliance on renewable source of energy. MDG 8 develop a global partnership for development. While some data gaps exist, Niue is slightly off track. We'll bring you more data on Niue's goals in our future news bulletin.